Hi guys, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at changing this gear knob. This is the standard gear knob in the Jafeos and a lot of the other models. So we're going to be changing this gear knob here. I've already started it, but I'm going to go through the steps for you. And then we're going to be replacing it with this. This is a genuine carbon fibre gear knob from Abarth, which I bought off eBay off somebody for about £90. So we should be able to get a good video for you guys and get you guys to understand how easy it is to change this over. As long as you know what you're kind of doing, then should be totally fine to do. So anyway, first thing that you need to do is you need to pop off this cap. Now I got a bit impatient and popped it off. I used a screwdriver and I just put it in here, and as I tried to pry it, I ended up pulling it too far and it actually snapped. You can still attach it with the two, but anyway, we're going to be changing it over, so it doesn't really matter anyway. Then what you need is you need a 10mm socket. A 10mm socket comes out, and you can see here it's got a little bit of thread lock on it. Would recommend putting some thread lock on. I've got some in the house. I just actually forgot to bring it out with me, so I will do that step. I actually do have some in the house. So when you pop this off, you do have to sort of get it out of here, this piece here. You do have to sort of pry it out of there. The first time I did it, I was trying to get it gone and it wouldn't go. And also there is screws just here holding it in, so you on this particular model car, this 2016 model, there is screws here holding this in, so don't expect this part to come out because you will rip the screws out. So just so you guys know, you shouldn't need to take them screws out as far as I'm aware. Basically now where we're at this point, what we need to do is we need to get rid of the original gear knob off the boot. I'm doing this one-handed, guys, so bear with me. In here there is some tape, and what we want to do is we want to take this tape off, and there's a cable tie I believe underneath. So we take the cable tie off, take the tape off, and then reinsert everything else that we need to attach. So we'll go into that bit now. So I'll be back in a second. I'm just going to do that quickly and then we'll carry on with the video. Okay guys, so now we've got this connected. What we've done is we've just put a little cable tie around the base of the black piece, and then what you do is you slide the actual carbon piece or silver piece, whichever one you buy, that goes over the top, and that should make it look really flush when you actually put it through. As you can see just there, so it will be flush when you pull it out properly. When I've got my other hand, it will look a lot better. And then all we want to do then is just line up the clips. So all we've literally got to do with that is, I'll leave that as it is, put this over, line it up, get the clips in. So the top three clips, sorry, and then there is two of these push clips in here with the metal. And then all we've got to do then is screw this piece in. I've now Loctited this in between the two little cuts into the video. So I've Loctited that in. And then all we want to do is push this into place. And these pieces here, I've just caught this now. Just pull this back out. What we want to do is we want to tuck them pieces, making sure these pieces are tucked in and down, and then as you can see now that's going to look nice and flush. So as you can see there, it's going to sit over the top, and then the groove is going to hold it in place. Perfect. Then all we've got to do is install the gear knob. Put this in and spin it round, and hopefully, fingers crossed, yeah, we line up. I'll do that with 2 hands in a minute and get it so it's level. And that is your gear knob installed, guys. Pretty simple. Only needs really basic tools, and literally looks absolutely awesome. So hope you guys like the video. Like, subscribe, share to your friends in case you guys need this, and we'll see you in another video. Cheers, guys.